Hi, I'm Geeta Banda. I'm here today from Google Cloud. I want to talk or spend a little bit of time today to paint this picture of how data is really crucial in the AI era and revolution today. But there are some challenges that our customers face today. Like, for example, the data tools are really fragmented. Also, data silos, and also how security and governance are becoming really crucial in the AI era. I'm really glad to be here at LiveRamp today, talking to Lisa and Martin about some of the machine learning use cases or AI use cases that you are unlocking for your customers.
I'm Lisa Kramer. I lead embedded identity at LiveRamp, and I'm joined by Martin.
Hi, yeah, I'm Martin. I'm a product manager for embedded identity here at LiveRamp.
Can we start off by giving a quick introduction about what LiveRamp is?
So we help our customers connect fragmented consumer touchpoints. Data is more powerful when it can be connected, and we offer flexible collaboration capabilities to allow our clients to take their view of first-party data and connect it with other trusted parties. On average, US adults have 2 to 3 different email addresses. So as you start to think about connecting data across various data sources, there's a lot of time spent on how to join different data tables. And LiveRamp's Ramp ID can be that join key. We can enable consolidation across a number of different touch points so that you can really start to understand more about a consumer or a household, so you can really get to the insights and analytics that can be so powerful. So we help our clients connect data safely and effectively. And so, Martin, I think we have an example we can walk through.
Yeah, absolutely. One of the largest challenges any of us working with consumer data face is that consumer data is fragmented. One major international brand comes to mind we're working with. This customer both manufactures physical products and maintains a variety of digital platforms. And so for them, this represents a variety of fragmented data sources that they want to collect, consolidate, and really use to build advanced audiences for marketing, improve their analytics and their insights to inform their manufacturing processes, a variety of these activities that they can't do without consolidating that data. And so that's where Ramp ID really comes in and helps them empower their data science teams. They can tie together all of these touch points, regardless of what that touch point is, PII or pseudonymous. They can take action on them. And they can do that in essentially real time because LiveRamp has deployed our graph into the GCP region in which they operate.
And then finally, we enable a vast network of hundreds of marketing and media destinations through a premier global ecosystem for our clients to connect data into the digital realm, all operating on our pseudonymous identifier, the Ramp ID.
I heard Ramp ID. I know it's a core asset at LiveRamp. Could you explain more about what it does to your customers?
So Ramp ID we think of as this holistic and persistent identifier that's deterministically generated to represent consumers, regardless of the touch point through which they interact with our customers. So we can think of offline data in the PII world representing, say, transactions, in-store purchases, online purchases, whatever it might be, maybe a CRM. There's also the online world, which is cookies, mobile devices, CTV devices, all of these pseudonymous identifiers. What Ramp ID does is it brings both of those worlds together in a way that's persistent so that you can really accurately, consistently, and efficiently execute a closed loop marketing cycle where you can build audiences in the PII world, activate them in the online world, and accurately perform measurement combining both of those realms. And Ramp ID, LiveRamp's identity graph, can really help with that.
So that's fantastic about Ramp ID. Could you give us some examples about how your customers use Ramp ID today?
One of the places our customers use Ramp ID and interact with LiveRamp is in BigQuery. What we've recently done is deployed our identity graph into BigQuery, into the various regions in which our customers operate. What deploying our identity graph into BigQuery allows us to do is to work with the customer where they are, which has benefits in security, in on-demand identity resolution, efficiency, and really customization of the workflow.
Truly empowering their data scientists to actually action some of the use cases that they have going within their company. I love it. I do also want to talk about some of the machine learning use cases or AI use cases that you are unlocking for your customers.
Marketers are constantly challenged to do more with less, and everyone's looking to drive ROI off of their investments. And so one of the things that I think is really key to that is being able to connect data in an effective way so that you can understand how campaign spend is going. You can understand and eliminate some media waste. And so as you think about LiveRamp capabilities and our identity resolution capabilities available within BigQuery, our clients are able to then connect all of the fragmented consumer touch points, all of the different data tables in a really effective way so that you can drive more accurate insights and then start to use that within the ML model or AI as well. And so we're starting to see more customers start to think about the data strategy and how to enable a really holistic view of customers to then deploy some of these really amazing capabilities that BigQuery can power.
So Lisa, I just have a question around security and governance are becoming really crucial and really important, especially when you're building a platform like this to build that trust with your customers. How do you handle security today?
Embedded products in BigQuery specifically benefit from some of the GCP capabilities. So the fact that customer data doesn't have to leave the cloud region that it's in, and it stays within the Google perimeter, right? Data doesn't have to travel over the open internet is a massive benefit for our customers from a security perspective.
So there are a number of things that have changed in the industry over the past number of years. Consumers expect more from a privacy and transparency perspective. LiveRamp has always been a leader in security and privacy and adhering to privacy by design capabilities. So minimizing data movement can certainly enhance the privacy and security benefits for our customers, as well as the other benefits around accelerating time to value and unlocking more accurate insights through our data collaboration platform, including some of the governance that both BigQuery and the LiveRamp Cleanroom can enable for ensuring privacy safe use of data.
Lisa, I heard data clean rooms. Could you explain a little bit more about data clean rooms and how you use that with your customers today?
Our LiveRamp Cleanroom, which allows our clients to really go deeper from an analytics perspective, whether it's thinking through campaign planning use cases and being able to take your audience and overlap it with another trusted party to understand more about kind of what to expect from campaign spend. Or it could be use cases around measurement. And so I already spent campaign dollars. How did it go? Did I reach the right people at the right time? And so cleanroom capabilities really allow you to connect your customer data with other trusted parties to go deeper on those types of use cases than we have been able to do so in the past.
I wanted to switch gears a little bit and talk about how important real-time processing is as part of your overall offering to customers today.
Historically, data had to be sent to LiveRamp for us to ingest and process. And now you're able to access identity resolution within BigQuery to connect all of the data as needed. It's create that foundation, but then also be able to update that data as it comes in and create some optimization based off of the insights that you see as data is coming into BigQuery, right? And so the ability to access our identity graph as analytics is running, as you're diving deeper into data that's coming in, can really create that holistic view that can drive more accurate insights and capabilities for our clients.
How do you use some of the BigQuery features, especially when it provides people efficiencies within, within the data engineering workflow or data analyst workflow?
Typically, you see that data analysts are spending a majority of their time in data preparation. And I think the ability to access LiveRamp's graph on demand as needed within BigQuery really can help eliminate some of that, or at least minimize the amount of time spent on data preparation itself.
One of the main benefits we see is that BigQuery takes care of a lot of the really difficult parts of maintaining an identity graph and executing processes, identity resolution on behalf of customers. Things like BigQuery managing job queues or resource allocation. It's all taken care of for us. Similarly, for our customers, they no longer have to ship files around, ship them to LiveRamp, ask their data science teams or data ops teams to produce files, export them. It's all within BigQuery. And so that's a massive efficiency gain. That leads to much faster return on investment and much faster path to action.
It's truly amazing to see how LiveRamp is using some of the products that the BigQuery team is building. And also, in turn, I wanted to touch up on how amazing it is to partner with LiveRamp to inform some of the roadmap features that BigQuery is actually embarking on and building right now.
Thank you. Yeah, we echo that sentiment. The partnership has been fantastic. I know the team came on site with our engineers to support our development of the resolution capabilities in BigQuery. So yeah, fantastic being here with you today. Thank you.
Absolutely. It was a wonderful experience when the BigQuery team came to help us really hone in on the performance of our solution and ensuring we can deliver the throughput that our customers would expect. And so the scalability and the speed and all the support that the team provided were really appreciated.
Thank you so much. And it was great spending the time with you today.